Day 5 started with one of the greatest breakfasts of the entire trip, more specifically, the MGM Grand Buffet.
Now that is what I call a breakfast buffet. Good job, MGM.
With the conclusion of breakfast, I then went to buy this awesome LED Matrix hat. I then took the tram back to Mandalay Bay and... wait. On the way back, I passed by this. A tram that was broken. Now, remember this for the future. It will be important. But now, the tram was working! To be honest, the fact that it had not been working wasn't that big of an issue, and I'll get into it more in a future video. But still, oh no! Regardless, I ended off the trip that morning at Mandalay Bay. That afternoon, I took a cab to Resorts World, since it had recently completed construction in 2021. This hotel is where a new meme was born. Stripflation. Or to put a million words into one, boring! Next, I then took a short walk over to Wynn Encore. This hotel was a lot better. The casino was very nice, and there were some very fancy cars. Following the hotel exploration, I then headed back to the Mirage. At the Mirage, I went to get some dinner. And then went to see Limitless featuring Shin Lim, the playing card magician. Following the show, I then went to get some gelato and sat outside by the pool. An interesting piece of trivia is that this is not the first vacation I've had in Las Vegas. On my initial trip to Las Vegas, I stayed at the Mirage. Staying at the Mirage was awesome. The room was very comfortable, the pool was fantastic, and they also had dolphins. I ended that day off in the greatest place in all of Nevada, the center of all the action, downtown Las Vegas, Freemont Street.
Shin Lim yesterday was flipping astounding. This guy snaps his fingers, and mountains of playing cards appear out of thin air. It's unbelievable. Let's check out this room.
The room I stayed in at Mandalay Bay was fantastic. The view was also very nice. From our room you could see the tram heading up to Excalibur, as well as the south end of the strip. That morning I took the Excalibur Express tram to the monorail. And then I took the monorail to go see something cool.
It's the orb! The MSG Sphere is one of the craziest projects mankind has ever witnessed, even giving SpaceX and NASA a run for their money. I cannot even begin to describe how technologically advanced this project is. To start off with, you're looking at one of the biggest screens on the entire planet. The screen on the inside is also massive, and features one of the most killer sound systems you've ever heard of. When they said reinvent the entertainment experience, they were not kidding. At the time I recorded this, the MSG Sphere was not open to the public, due to it being under construction still. However, if you are going to be in the Las Vegas region anytime soon, get some tickets to go see a show at this thing. You will be blown away by how awesome it is. The remainder of the day consisted of rain. In the desert? What? And I ended off that day going to see the Cirque du Soleil show. And of course, the show was awesome. Anyways guys, I think that's all I got for right now. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.